Have you ever wondered why your website isn't ranking as high as you'd like? You post great content, but it feels like no one is listening. Well, what if I told you that the secret to getting noticed online isn't just about what you say, but also how you say it, and where you say it? Let's unlock the mysteries of SEO together. In this video, we're diving into the world of SEO, specifically the difference between on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Stick around to learn the difference, but first don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to boost your online presence. Imagine you've just opened a new cafe, but it's hidden in a back alley. Nobody knows about it. So, what do? You hang a bright sign outside and start telling everyone about it. That, my friends, is SEO in a nutshell, on-page and off-page working together to make your business shine online. Alright, now let's dive into on-page SEO. Think of this as everything you can control on your website. It's like tidying up your room before guests arrive, making sure everything looks good and is easy to find. On-page SEO is the stuff happening inside your website. It's all about making your site user-friendly and search engine-friendly. Keywords, headings, images, and even your site speed. It's like decorating your cafe to attract customers. Without good on-page SEO, your website is like a cafe serving invisible coffee. On-page SEO is all about making your site appealing to both users and search engines. The better you optimize these elements, the higher your chances of ranking well on Google. Now, let's shift gears and talk about off-page SEO. This is where things get a bit more social. Off-page SEO involves actions taken outside of your website that influence your rankings, backlinks, social shares, and online reviews are like getting your cafe featured in the local newspaper or praised by food bloggers. Think of off-page SEO as your business's hype squad. It's like shouting to the world that my cafe has the best latte art in town. It's all about reputation. But why should you care about both? Well, on-page helps search engines find you, while off-page SEO boosts your overall authority. Together, they create a powerful one-two punch that can elevate your business in search results. And did you know that businesses with strong SEO strategies can see up to 14 times more organic traffic? That's like having a buffet of potential customers just waiting to be served. In conclusion, mastering both on-page and off-page SEO is essential for any business looking to thrive online. So roll up those sleeves and get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more helpful content from Jay's Digital Hub. Let's grow your business together.